In Infinite Craft, creating a human or humanoid figure can involve using the game's building and crafting mechanisms to design characters or NPC-like structures. While the game does not typically allow for the creation of actual human beings, like in simulation or role-playing games, players can mimic human-like figures through creative building. One method is by constructing a humanoid figure using blocks. You start by building the body with basic materials like wood, stone, or any other block that suits your design. Sculpt the torso, legs, arms, and head. Bless me, thank you. To resemble the general shape of a human figure. You can also add details like clothing or accessories by choosing different block types and textures. To make the figure feel more lifelike, players often use creative placements of items such as armor, helmets, or banners to simulate facial features or clothing. Redstone can be used to create mechanisms for moving parts, like arms or legs, adding a dynamic element to the figure. If the game allows for the creation of NPCs or characters with specific behaviors, players can use these figures to give life to the humanoid creations. These NPCs can be set to follow specific tasks, interact with players, or serve as a part of a larger, more complex design in the game. Though, through creativity and the use of the game's mechanisms, players can craft human-like figures or characters in Infinite Craft. Let me know if this helped. God bless you too, okay?